In this lesson, we are going to learn how you can create a resume on canva.com. So it's always better to take advantage of the predefined templates that we already have. So in this way, it is very easy to customize any template and make it your own. So to find a template of a resume, you can write here resume. So here are the couple of templates, or you can click on create a design and write resume here. So just click on it. And although on the right hand side, you always get a blank canvas, but on the left hand side, you will get a lot of amazing templates of resume that you can use to create your own. For example, this one. So if we zoom it a little bit, you can see that it looks very professional template, and you can easily customize everything here by adjusting your details in all of these particular areas. So first of all, if you want to make some changes, let's consider creating a copy of it. Let's duplicate this page. So if you make a major mistake, you can still see what default template do we have. So from the second page, let's continue the editing. You can add in your picture here easily. Just select this picture, delete that, and it will be converted into a frame that you can use to insert your own picture. Let's go to photos and insert any passport photo. Let's say passport pictures. There we have it. Some of them are paid. Let's search anything free available here. I can write portrait here. And for example, this is the image that I want to use. So I will just drag and drop here. It will automatically fit in. And if you want to adjust it further, just double click and you can adjust that on any position you want, and then hit the click in the corner so it will be fixed. Similarly, if you want to change the name here, you can change the name. Similarly, you can change the contact address, and all these fields are easily customizable. As you can see, whenever you want to edit, just double click and change the details. Now, let's say that I want to change the color scheme of this gray to blue, but how will I change for all at once? We will apply here the knowledge that we have just learned in the previous videos, and that is just select one shape as a sample and then change the color of that particular shape. It will automatically ask you whether you want to change it for all. Let's click on change all and done. Similarly, let's try to change the text color. If I change, let's say this one to darker color, and if I click on change all the heading styles will be automatically changed to the darker colors. So that is how you can make easy customization to your template here. Now, these all things, these shapes, this text, these symbols are adjusted on a particular shape, that is this one, and this is just a shape that is separately inserted. So if you want to change the color scheme of this one as well, since we have changed the headings color, you can select it from the corner, and once you see that the whole shape is selected, you can easily change to a lighter shade of the blue color that suits or goes with the overall resume look. So let's change it to a lighter shade of the blue, and let's say this one looks suitable. And similarly, if you want to change the font style or size of the particular details that we have here, you can easily do that by changing one and then applying it to all. But I recommend to keep all the details in the same font. For example, if I want to use display fair display, I will use this. Let's change the size to, let's say 9. And then when you see this option of change all, you will change all, and you will notice that all of the designs have changed, although the text size is similar. So that I believe you need to manually adjust that, but otherwise all the text styles are changed now to play fair display. But I believe you won't be needing this, because when you are using the predefined templates, they are using the ideal font suitable for that particular template. But whenever you need one, you can change and apply to all simply by a single click. So that is the quickest way of creating a professional resume on Canva with just a few tricks that you can use to quickly customize the predefined templates on Canva and make it your own.